everybody, before we jump into today's video, I want to let people know, if you're new to my page, what these videos are for and what my intention is. And that is to raise awareness around a very big problem, not only here in Southeast Asia, but also in the States. And this is sex trafficking. For those of you who want more information on that, you can check out my first video, which is right here. And for those of you that already know and want to get involved, you can jump over to my Patreon and you can donate so much per month. It doesn't matter if it's $1 or $100. Every dollar matters. And our first goal is to raise $1,500, and this will save a life from the sex ring. So check it out and enjoy today's video. Thank you.
Good morning. This is where we stayed last night. It's our little hut. Gigi's trying to get out. She doesn't quite understand the bug net. Come here. Good morning. Grandma's been down there chopping wood. Grandma is 74 years old, and she chops the wood and feeds the pigs. Over here we have the bathroom, which I'm kind of scared to use, to be honest. Let's check it out. Oh, it's not a squat toilet. I'm really surprised. Josh said there was a spider in here somewhere. Oh, there is. He's not big though. He's a good guy. You see him right there. It doesn't really focus, but it looks like that's the only one. So I have this pipe right here. And it comes down from the stream. You unplug it right there and water comes out. And that's what they use for their cooking and bathing. I'm not gonna have any. Breakfast time. Looks like we have toast and eggs and some jelly. Talking on the phone? Hello? Hello?
The monkey, huh? Go, come on.
Go get him.
Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Come. What is he doing? It's a hammock.
Fog's rolling in. Should be hiking out soon. It's their garden. They have some zucchini, some corn. I know they're growing some squashes in there somewhere. Pumpkin. Juju's just stomping around in some puddles. Ah. Goodbye! On the trail again. Harvesting some oyster mushrooms.
1 kilogram, 280.
Poisonous snake. Ah! Really steep today. Whew.
the trail after we caught some fish for lunch. Yeah, and now we're gonna see if we can find some bamboo worms. They are exactly what they sound like they are. Worms that live in the bamboo. And Peapot really wants to eat one. You see that? It's not a trail.
Just fucking. It's an effing
What is it?
90-degree descent.
It kicked Josh's ass.
I feel like I just
Fell.
walked straight up a mountain.
But we found some bamboo. And hopefully a bamboo worm. Found a bamboo worm.
Yeah, with Mr. Pat na. Pat. Chup chup.
So we are getting ready for lunch, I guess. That's my guess. Josh is over here making some chopsticks. Not loading. I'll get it. We don't know where Peapot is. Casually walking down a mountain, trying not to slip and fall on our asses. There's no trail. Our guide is like very agile and he's gone. Peapot loves Juju. They are besties. Yeah, it's her boyfriend. They're eating noodles. Lunch is so good, and we're back at it.
Don't khương nam. Tôn. 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 Khương nam. Khương nam. Don't khương nam. Don't khương nam. Ah. The water. How do you say in English, you know?
Don't Kenyan. Made it to stay number 2. This is our last night.
Ah. Hey baby. Okay. Okay. So tofu, potato. Is that vegetarian, okay?
Vegetarian.
Chicken,
potato,
is it mushroom?
mushroom,
Right.
cabbage, and something else, and then rice.
Delicious. Roy mama.
Oroy moma.
Dinner was so good. And we are exhausted, so we're gonna go to bed.
Hey Gigi.
Bye, Juju.
Say bye. Hi Gigi.
Yeah. Say good night. The last night we're spending.
And so these are bamboo worms. They're kind of like grubs, but they taste like soy sauce popcorn. I can't get it. You just deep fry them and they taste like soy sauce popcorn.